Good afternoon. My name is Colin and I am the chair and a professor in the Department of Biomedical Science at the UND School of Medicine. And I'll tell you a little bit about the types of research we do in my lab. We're mostly interested in neuroimmune interactions during aging and in neurodegenerative diseases, particularly Alzheimer's disease. So we try to understand how problems with the immune system affect the brain as we get older and how that may contribute to certain age-associated diseases like Alzheimer's disease. And for the NDACES project, we're taking that interest in the immune system and applying it to cancer. We're trying to understand how immune cells might influence the resilience of tumors in response to certain drugs that normally would kill the tumors, but maybe don't do it so well when the immune cells are there. So we really want to understand how we can change the immune cells and make them actually help us to kill the tumors. And we think that's a pretty important thing to be working on. As you know, aging and Alzheimer's disease as well as cancer are all fairly common health problems in the U.S. and certainly in North Dakota as well. So we think it's regionally and nationally and internationally important to think about those sorts of questions. And students that work with us typically have opportunities to engage in a hands-on fashion with all these sorts of areas of research. They can learn a variety of methods ranging from cell culture to whole animal experiments, and they can be involved in the types of research that's translationally relevant. Lots of our efforts are focused on preclinical testing of drugs that may be beneficial in these diseases. And usually students learn fundamentals of the scientific method, how to design a hypothesis, how to test it, how to analyze their data, how to present their data, and it prepares them for really a variety of things they would want to do after they graduate from college, whether they want to go to graduate school or medical school or dental school or medical laboratory science types of training or nursing school. A whole range of students usually come through our lab that have a lot of pre-health interests. And they find the experience to be rewarding, not just because they learn a little bit about the scientific method and learn a little bit about different diseases, but they learn some critical thinking skills that are useful to them.